All right, let's get started. First, you need to have the right permissions, because without them, well, you're just staring at a login screen. Next, ensure you're using the correct URL. Guessing won't get you far. Then, check your network connection. Nothing is worse than waiting forever for a page that isn't loading. Finally, always follow security guidelines. No one wants an unintended cyber adventure. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. The DataStage Operations Console is like mission control for your ETL processes. It helps you track job statuses, so you won't be left wondering if your data pipeline is secretly taking a nap. It also makes troubleshooting a breeze, because let's face it, debugging can be painful. Most importantly, it streamlines your workflow, ensuring you stay productive instead of playing detective with failed jobs. Why use the Operations Console? Simple. It lets you keep an eye on job performance, so you're not relying on gut feelings. It swiftly pinpoints errors, saving you from unnecessary detective work. Plus, it helps optimize resource usage, ensuring you don't overwork your system. All of this adds up to improved efficiency, which means fewer headaches for you. Before diving in, make sure you have your user credentials handy, because guesswork won't help you log in. Check that your network is stable, otherwise it's like shouting into the void. Ensure your browser is compatible, because using an outdated one is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Lastly, security certificates need validation, so you're not stopped by unnecessary warning screens. All right, folks, first things first, fire up Mozilla Firefox. A few tweaks in the settings will give you a smoother experience. Keep those permissions enabled to avoid any hiccups along the way, and if something doesn't work, don't panic. Troubleshooting is just a few clicks away. The console interface might seem intimidating, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's like unlocking a secret superpower. Knowing where things are, executing basic commands, and using shortcuts will save you tons of time, and possibly spare you from an existential crisis when staring at a blank terminal. Ever felt like a detective? Well, monitoring jobs is just like solving a mystery. Tracking processes, checking the performance stats, and making sure everything runs smoothly. Stay sharp and remember, the right tools make life easier. Managing resources is all about making sure your system doesn't feel like a sluggish Monday morning. Keep an eye on bottlenecks, allocate memory wisely, clean up unnecessary files, and do regular health checks, because an efficient system equals a happy user. Troubleshooting access issues. Don't worry, we got this. Login troubles, network glitches, firewall restrictions. Sounds scary, but each issue has a solution. Take it one step at a time, and you'll be back in action before you know it. And that's a wrap. We covered everything from navigating interfaces to troubleshooting nightmares. Apply best practices, avoid common pitfalls, and always stay curious, because tech never stops evolving. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.